In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to clean a walleye with a BUBBA knife or any electric fillet knife, but I will do more specifically a BUBBA knife because I will do a Rapala video also. So we're just going to clean a walleye and I'll get it set up. Okay, we got our walleye here. I got my knife. So what I'm going to do is my first cut is going to be right behind the head. You want to go as close as you can behind that plate because that's where you're going to get your most meat, and you're going to work your way down the fish like this. I like to cut down to the belly just to get all that belly meat as much as you can. Then you're going to flex it. Tip is to flex it, like kind of give it a bend and just work your way down that spine. And you're going to want to do like a forward motion, not like aggressively, but you're just going to slowly rotate your knife tip forward so it cuts through the meat forward. Okay. Then we get to the end here. You don't want to go all the way through. You want to leave a little bit of skin on. So you can flip it over like this and just skin it right away. Then you don't have anything to grab onto if you cut through it. So like this, it's already being held on. You just work your way down like so. Flex it as you go. Like that. And you got your skinless fillet. Then we're going to take the rib meat off like this. Just kind of work your way down it because it kind of curves down. Okay, so that's the rib meat off. And then what you're going to do next is, this is personal preference. If you don't think you got all the bones out right here along the ribs, which sometimes you miss, you can zipper it. I always zipper it too because there's this bloodline that runs through the fish. I don't know if you can see it, but it gets rid of any fishy taste and any bones that are left. So when you zipper it, you want to do it close to the bloodline like that. Give yourself a little tear point, like so. You're going to take it. You're just going to peel it. There's one fillet. Peel the other side, and the bloodline comes right off like this. See, that's your bloodline. Takes any bones out. Throw that away. And then you're left with just a boneless white fillet of walleye meat. And if you're wondering on the other side, if it's backwards, mine can't comprehend backwards, well, you just go your tip of the knife through the belly instead, like this. Like that. And then you flex it and work your way down. And this time you're going to want to flex, you're going to want to push the tip of the knife backwards, just so you work this back line a little bit easier while you flex it. Then you're left with that same side and do the same thing. I hope you guys enjoyed.